Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I'm doing a product empties video because this video was requested a few times by you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do it now. I have accumulated quite a bunch of stuff since I did my last one, and I'm excited to share these products with you guys. So before we get on to the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy product empties videos, and if you'd like to know all the empties that I have gone through, then please just keep watching. Also, it's the end of the day. It's actually pretty late right now. I feel like every time I do empties videos, it's late. I've been wearing this makeup all day. I just touched up my lipstick, so I may be looking a little rough. But for the first, I want to actually share these with you guys. It's a whole set that I went through besides the hair mask. I'm still using the hair mask because I kind of forget about it sometimes. But these are the L'Oreal Pro shampoos and conditioner. It says Siri Expert Blondifier. So this one is the shampoo, this one is a gloss shampoo, and this was the conditioner. I used them all up in basically no time because they were amazing. I have tons of blonde highlights in my hair that are pretty faded out right now. My hair is pretty brown at the moment. My actual hair color is brunette, but I do shove a bunch of blonde in there and it does tend to fade away. But when I use this one is a purple shampoo and the rest are for blonde hair. It completely revived my hair, brought back all the color. It's like how it was when I first got it done. I was so happy with it. And I am going to repurchase these again if I can find them. I messaged the girl who had sent them to me in the first place, and she mentioned that they are sold in salon stores. I just haven't seen any yet, but as soon as I see them, I'm picking them up because these are amazing. I'll just move along with shampoo. This is the last shampoo that I have. This is the L'Oreal Dream Length shampoo, and this is their newest shampoo, I believe. First of all, it smells delicious. It smells like candy fluff from Lush. Not exactly like it, but that's what it kind of reminds me of. I was really intrigued by this because there was tons of ads on it, so I bought it and I ended up loving it. It wasn't anything crazy, but I did feel like it made my hair softer, so I actually did repurchase this. I have some in my shower that I'm using up right now, but I don't know what it is. My hair just got used to it and it doesn't do what it did before to it, and I think it's giving me dandruff because now all of a sudden I'm getting dandruff and I'm still using the same shampoo. So I don't know, I don't think I'll repurchase it again. I just think this is drying out my scalp too much, so unfortunately I won't be getting this again. My first impressions on it, I was obsessed with it, and it smells so good. I will move along to this next. This is a Aveeno Calming Body Wash. This is the Lavender, Chamomile, and Ylang Ylang Body Soap. And it says it helps to calm and relax, soothe skin with moisture. So I have pretty sensitive skin, so I don't always, but I try to get more products geared towards sensitive skin for my body. I put all kinds of things on my face, so I won't speak on that. I'm not sure if I'll pick this up again. I might. It was nice for my skin. I just don't have amazing things to say about body soap. It does the job. I don't know. Nothing too crazy. I always switched up. I'm using the Olay foam one right now, and it's really fun to use. It's not amazing in any way, but it is really fun to use. Whoops. I'm dropping things. Okay, next I have the Batiste dry shampoos. Of course I'm going to repurchase these again. I always repurchase them because I need them in my life. They save the day when you wake up and your hair is a little bit greasy, but you don't have time to shower. These work so well. They work way better than any other dry shampoo that I've ever tried. These actually soak up the excess oils. I still shower at the end of the day when I use these because I don't like the feeling of product in my hair, and I don't want this to replace my shower. And I do know that it's better for your hair not to shower constantly, but I just like to have it clean. So I like to get the one in Divine Dark. My natural hair is pretty dark. This is great for brunette hair. If you have blonde hair, you probably don't want this kind because it's probably going to show up a brown tint in your hair and you're not going to like that. But when I use the original one, it shows up white in my hair and it's really hard to blend in, so I always grab the brunette ones. These are the things I dropped, so I will first talk about this really quick. I got this in one of my BoxyCharms. It says that it was made exclusively for BoxyCharm, so I don't even know if they sell this. I'm assuming that they don't, but this is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away, and I used up the whole jar. It was a green color. There's some foundation marks in it from my fingers, which is pretty gross. I loved this. I wasn't expecting much of it whatsoever, but I used it I think around Halloween, and it just melted away all of my makeup. So when I was doing Halloween looks, this completely took it all off, and I was really impressed with this. I went through this very fast, and now I'm pretty sure I can't even get it anymore. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is a really good full coverage foundation. This wasn't exactly my shade when I got it because I got it online, but I still used up the whole thing and scraped down the sides. So I think I'm going to repurchase this again. I don't know when. I'm more of a drugstore foundation girl because I know that there's so many good drugstore foundations for way less of a price. So this one is really good. I will probably pick this up down the road. This I've definitely talked about before. This is the Glam Glow Insta Mud 60-second pore refining treatment. So this is a face mask. It is the most amazing face mask I've ever tried in my life. It is literally just a 1-minute face mask and it's purple. It goes on just like a face mask, but then it bubbles up. And as it bubbles up, you can literally feel it sucking everything out of your skin. It's amazing. It actually works. I've been wanting to repurchase this ever since I used it up, but it's $60. It's so expensive. On the other hand, I feel like it is worth the price just because it works so incredibly well. But sometimes I just can't justify spending that much on a face mask. I have 2 moisturizers from IT Cosmetics that I've used up. So the first one is the Confidence in a Cream. This one is my favorite moisturizer ever by them. Are you kidding me? I still have like 1 tiny scoop in it. I can't believe I left you behind. Anyways, this stuff is amazing. It's so moisturizing. It's nice and thick for my dry skin. And I've gone through 2 of these now. I would say this is one that I would go back and repurchase. But I do have tons of moisturizers. I always switch it up. But this one I have gone through twice, so I know that I love this one. Again, this one is on the pricey side, I think. Don't quote me, but I think it's $60. This one, on the other hand, is the IT Cosmetics Secret Sauce, and this one is still really good, but I don't think it's as good as the Confidence in a Cream in my opinion. And this one is $80. So I'm not going to be repurchasing this because that is very, very expensive. And I just feel like it didn't do as much for my skin as this one did. But everyone's skin is different, so it just depends on your skin type. I'm pretty sure the first time I used this, I actually had some acne and it helped clear it up. Just swore that it worked wonders on my skin, whereas this one just solely hydrated it. I'm gonna finish up the skincare items that I've used up. So this is the Biotherm Instant Hydration Toning Lotion, and this is an amazing toner. I want to repurchase this, I just haven't found it yet. I am wondering if it just got repackaged and it's not in this packaging anymore. I have to go back and really look at it, but I'm pretty sure I saw it, but it wasn't the same packaging, so I thought it wasn't the same thing. But I'm gonna have to search for this again because this has been my favorite toner that I've ever used. And I also really like the smell. It's not like it's a good sweet smell or anything. I feel like it smells really clean, and after you tone your face, you just smell like you have really clean skin. The other thing that I used up really, really fast are these Pixi Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloths. So they are makeup removing cloths. As I said cleansing on it, I didn't think much of them, and when I pulled it out, the wipes felt very dry in my opinion, so I didn't think that it was going to take all my makeup off. So I took off my makeup the first time with one of the wipes, and then I went in with the toner to just clean up the excess makeup left on my face, and there was hardly any. These little guys seriously took off basically all my makeup with one wipe, which is insane. So yes, I'm gonna be repurchasing these again for sure. They're very, very good. I have some other foundations that I've used up. This one I'm actually kind of squeezing the rest out, but I think I squeezed the rest out basically the last time I used this, and this is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. Very good. I did a first impressions on it, which is the video on my channel that has done the best so far, but I did really like it in my first impressions. I continued to like it as I used it. I feel like I'm not obsessed with it as a lot of people are. It's a very popular product. I do think it's great. It's just not one of my favorite go-to. Next foundation I have here is the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir Foundation. This one I'm not fond of the smell. I like the foundation, but the smell of it, it's just not my favorite. But then again, I don't like a lot of smells and I still continue to buy the products. Still a good foundation. It's probably not one that I would be repurchasing. I really love CoverGirl's Ready Set Gorgeous foundation. That is my favorite one by them by far. And of course, it wouldn't be an empties video by me if I didn't have a Maybelline Matte and Poreless in here, and I do. There's just one this time. One of my favorite drugstore foundations ever. So good. It's so cheap. Of course, I will be repurchasing this. I have one eyebrow pencil. It is from MAC. It is the Lingering Eyebrow Pencil. I got this in one of my BoxyCharms, which was amazing because it's MAC. And I wouldn't repurchase this again because it is not my shade. The eyebrow pencil, I still don't think I would repurchase. I have found eyebrow pencils I like more. I'm wearing the new Urban Decay Brow Blade right now. I've been wearing it all day, but that's what I'm wearing right now and I really like it. And I really like the Kiss NY Pro eyebrow pencil as well, and that is so cheap. So I don't think I will be getting this one again, but it was a pretty good eyebrow pencil. Last two things are hand cream. So this one is from Zoella and I tried to repurchase it. I went back to London Drugs where I got it in the first place and they didn't have it anymore. I don't know if I can repurchase it, but if I find it ever again, I will. And then the last one is this one from Bath & Body Works. It is the Golden Honey Blossom Shea Butter Hand Cream. I just ran out of this and I just went and got a new one. Not the exact same kind. I got the one with the unicorn on the front. It is much more potent than smelling it in the tube once you put it on your hands. It's very, very strong, so I didn't know that. I don't really like strong scents that interfere with my perfume. I like my perfume to be the sole scent that I'm wearing. And this one didn't really have much of a scent. That's why I liked it so much, but I think this was one of the fall scents. So they didn't have it in the store when I went, since it is almost spring now, but I did get another one because I can't be without hand cream. That would drive me insane. Okay guys, well that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I look insane right now. This video is going up tomorrow, so I'm trying to get this done so I can edit it and post it when you're watching it now. So I'm sorry if oh my gosh, I'm a mess. I'm sorry if this video seemed rushed in any way, but I did want to do it. So here I am. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Like this video if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.